channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make your computer fast and efficient, and how to make your computer like hang free so that your computer does not hangs, right? Often it happens with you all that a computer often slows down and hangs, and when it happens with my computer I feel very frustrated, and I think you also. Tell me down in the comments if you feel frustrated when your laptop gets hang. So to remove that frustration, to chase out that frustration, I have an idea with you all, or the 3 ways through which you can make your computer more fast, more efficient. So here is the way number 1. So we will go to a taskbar, okay, and we'll type something. What will type? We will type RUN. So it's run, it's an app, and don't worry that it's fake or something. Nothing is fake. Everything is genuine and everything is safe, okay? It is an app for the computer to like folder or document, and it will open for you. If you type downloads, okay, so I think it will open the download file. See, so this is what run does. But often on our Windows Explorer we are not able to get those files which we need, right? Or which has some folders through which your computer gets hang. Yes, these folders are hidden inside your computer somewhere, and run will help you to find those. So let me tell you the way number 1. So as assume, click on run, then we will write something as temperature, percentage sign, a capital T, and E, and M, and then P, and then again a percentage sign. So you have to write this code, this piece of code, or not a code, or a keyword you have to write to a computer, and then we will click on OK. Now we will see some of the app datas which are of no use for the computer. It's a bin where the computer dumps its useless file, and we also don't need. And often it happens that whenever that storage may make your computer hang, or these files and folders may make your computer hang. So what shall you do? Delete it. So either we will simply delete. Either you can just drag it down, but it will take a lot of time. Okay. So here, and tip for you all, that select one file, only one file, okay, and do Control A. Okay, now you can observe 56,907 kilobytes. So it's a lot, okay, and some of us 0 kbs, and still they are sitting in your files and in your computer. So we don't need all these. Now we will click on delete. And it will ask you that, are you sure? Yes, we are of course sure. You don't have to click on triangle, you have to skip, again skip until it's completed. Don't do continue or anything else. Don't delete these files. And very, very important reminder, don't delete these files, because these are useful for the computer, or your computer can use it in some other way. If you will delete, I think your computer may get any problems. Now the second way is also with a run only. run. We will add here prefetch now, which is prefetch. Let me again magnify it for you all. So this is the keyword you have to write, which is PRE, FETCH. Now we will click on OK simply. And here are the, again, useless things which your computer doesn't need. These are PDF files, and PDF files are usually useless for the computer. And there are not only one, there are many. It's not ending only, right? So we have to delete all of them. Okay, so let's start with our mission clean. We'll clean it. It's from our local disk, right? Okay. So we have to do the same. Medium icon, external icon. Okay. Details icon. Let us click and click one. Control A. And what I have to do? Simply click on delete. There are 238 items sitting in my computer. Skip. And done. Now delete this. This is mkd file and it's important for the computer. Then let's run away, come away, like we had used 2 ways, and my computer is now clean. Now let's use another way, and which is our task bar. So sorry, not task bar, it's task manager. Task manager. Instead of writing, you can right click here and you can see this thing here. To click here. As soon as you will click, you see this, and you have to go to startup. And you can see here, like half of the memory is doing, like my chip jam is using, and the least used memory. So if this is taking a lot of memory, I think you should delete it. Okay, but it's a useful thing for me. I have to use. See, it's a red button. What does this mean? Used by active processors, physical memory. It's like it's using this. But now let's come here. And the ones which you don't use at all. Let me again open my magnifier again. Shall I? Okay. So, oops. Sorry. So the ones which you don't use, suppose I don't use Spotify at all, but these, as soon as I open my laptop, it starts to work in the background, and I don't want it to play because I'm not using, and it's using my memory, using my power, using my everything. So what I will do, simply right click on it. You can see disable thing here, and we will disable it. Don't disable this thing, okay? I don't use Skype neither. I don't do this. I don't use phone link neither.